If you want to stop prompting from scratch and start using Claude like a specialized digital employee, then this video is for you. Right now, there are two ways to approach AI. You can spend dozens of hours guessing, troubleshooting, and trying to figure out everything yourself, or you can just use handpicked, pre-built skills developed by industry experts. Most people are treating Claude like a basic chatbot, but the creators and power users who are actually saving hours every day are doing something completely different. In this video, we are diving deep into Claude skills. I'm going to show you exactly what they are, how to set them up, and the top Claude skills you can plug into your workflow to completely automate your heaviest task. Now we will understand what are Claude skills. So basically, Claude skills are customizable, reusable instruction packages that teach Claude how to handle specific tasks, workflows, or roles without needing you to re-explain your preference in every session. If we just take an example of Excel, we are using Power Query or VBA to automate the process. Claude Skills is doing exactly the similar thing in Claude. Now we will see how to install and use Claude Skills. I am on my Claude screen. I have to click on Customize button, click on Skills, click on this plus button. Here I have two options, Browse Skills and Create Skills. In the Create Skills, we have three options, Create with Claude, Write Skill Instruction, and Upload a Skill. So first I will explain what are these. Browse Skill sections are the predefined skills provided by Claude. You can see here. In the create skill option, we have three options. So create with Claude, write skill instruction, and upload a skill. So with these two, we can create our own skill, which I will cover in a separate video. In this video, our focus will be on skills created by industry experts. So let's see how to use them. Our first skill is called Caveman. So at times we receive message from Claude mentioning we have ran out of tokens and it will reset after some time, mostly because of lengthy answers provided by Claude. When we use Caveman, it gives us to the point answers and helps us in saving the tokens. Now we will see how to install and use it. So first we'll go to Google and we will search for Cloud Skills Caveman. This is the first link. Open this link. Click on skills. Click on Caveman. Click on skills. And here is our download option. So I have downloaded this file. Just what I will do here is I will upload this skill. Now if you see, the Caveman skill is installed. Now we will see how to use it. So suppose I'm asking this question to Claude. Give me So this is a very popular book. So I'm asking for summary of this book. After a few seconds, it has given me the result. So it has given me such a big summary. Now we will see how to use Caveman. We have to click slash, and if we click slash, it will give all the skills which are added in the Claude. I will click on Caveman. and then I will give my prompt the same thing and I will press on the enter. So after a few seconds, it has given the result. If we see here, this was a prompt I gave, and after that, it has given me 2-3 lines for each topic and saving my token. I hope so. Now you have understood how Caveman helps us in reducing our token usage. Now we will move to our next skill. Our next skill is Humanizer, and it solves a problem we all face: AI slop. Even when Claude gives you a great answer, it usually leaves behind massive digital fingerprints. Humanizer strips those away. It's actually trained on the exact rules from Wikipedia's famous Science of AI Writing, which is a guide to wipe out those patterns completely. Now, let's see how to install it. We can install the Humanizer skill as we have installed the previous skill. What we can do is we can just quickly go to Google, search for Claude Skills Humanizer, open this link, then go to skill.md file, click on it and download the file. Now go to Claude, go to customize and add the skill, how we have done previously. Now we will see what is the difference between a normal content and the content generated by Humanizer. So here is my prompt. What I have said is, explain me what is the impact of AI on IT sector in India and China. After a few seconds, it has given me the result and we can see traces of AI generated text all over the content. Now we are going to use Claude's Humanizer skill to give this text a completely natural human written feel. So I will click on slash. As soon as I click on slash, it will show all the skills which are there and it is also giving what this skill does. So I will click on Humanizer and paste the previous requirement and press enter. After a few seconds, it has given me the result. And if you see here, there is a clear difference between how it had given me the result previously and after using the Humanizer skill. I hope so you have understood how to use Humanizer skill. Now we will move on to our next skill, which is prompt master. If you have ever struggled to write a structured prompt, this is going to be your favorite tool. It basically turns Claude into an expert prompt engineer. Instead of you guessing what to write, it takes your basic idea and generates a high quality, detailed, structured prompt with exact roles, styles, and parameters. Regarding installation of this skill, it's same as the previous skills. Go to Google, search for the skill, open the first link. This is the first link. Click on the skill.md file and download its file. Then go to Claude and install the file. Now I will give my one of my requirement and try to use this skill. My requirement is I want to create a poster for a gynecologist in purple and white color. Here, instead of using the slash command, I have used the keyword. So Claude will take both ways, either the slash command or the keyword. Here for experiment purpose, I am using the keyword prompt master. Now I will hit the enter button. So here it is asking me few questions. So let's answer those questions. So I want to use mid journey and it is for clinic branding. So if you see here, it has given me the prompt and I can use this prompt to create my poster. Our next skill is CSV data summarizer. This is a lifesaver for my daily workflow as a financial research analyst. I use it to do a rapid initial scan whenever I get a new raw data file. In this example, I am going to drop a CSV file right into Claude and let the skill help me understand the data. So this is my raw file and this is the prompt I have given and I am asking it to understand this CSV file. I have not opened this file. So after a few seconds, it has given me the output. Without opening the file, I know that there are 292 employees in records, 16 cost centers, 12 cities, and it has given me all the brief summary about this file. It can also be used to create dashboards. Now, this next skill is a bit of a personal favorite. It's called Greenway skill. Most people use Claude to give them answers, but this skill does the exact opposite. It turns Claude into a ruthless, high stake interviewer. Instead of just giving you a list of generic interview questions to read, it acts like a live interviewer, cross examining your answers, pushing back on your logic, and drilling down into your actual experience. Now let's take an example. So I have just given an example saying that I'm going to interview for Microsoft for a full stack engineer and help me prepare for the interview. Now it won't give me a simple interview question answer, but it will grid me based on my response given to the Claude. So now it is asking me which kind of role I'm going into. I will just select new entry, maybe system design. So like this, you can use this skill to prepare for your interviews. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps me create more videos like this. Share this video with someone who might find it useful. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.